members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Commander Fidel Castro, former President of Cuba, on the 25th of November 2016 at the age of 90 years. A revolutionary who stood for equality and justice, Commander Castro was the architect of transformation of Cuba as a socialist state. He was Prime Minister of the Republic of Cuba from 1959 to 1976 and was President from 1976 to 2006. A champion of anti-imperialism and anti-colonialism, he served as an inspiration for socialist movements and anti-colonial struggles across the world. He was a leading light of the non-aligned movement and was at its helm from 1979 to 1983 and from 2006 to 2008. He visited India twice in 1973 and 1983. Commander Castro will always be remembered as a good friend of India for his lasting contribution to the evolution of warm relations between the two countries. His death is an irreversible loss to the people of Cuba and the Republic and also to the world at large. The House joins the bereaved family, the government and the people of Cuba in mourning the passing away of Commander Fidel Castro and conveys its heartfelt condolences to them in their hour of grief. We deeply mourn the passing away of Commander Fidel Castro. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Papers to be laid on the table, Shri Piyush Goyal.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 in today's list of business.
Now, Sri Mansukh Al-Mandavia.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Yes, one more you have to do.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against the names of my colleague Sri P. Radhakrishnan at serial number 2 in today's list of business.
Now, Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee of Chemicals and Fertilizers report. Sri Narayan L. Pancharia.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के आगे यथा सूचीबद्ध रसायन एवं उर्वरक समिति द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई संबंधी 2 प्रतिवेदन सभा पटल पर रखता हूं.
Statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers against Sri Narayan L. Pancharia. और
माननीय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के आगे यथा सूचीबद्ध रसायन एवं उर्वरक संबंधी समिति द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई संबंधी विवरण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं.
now matters to be raised under permission of the chairman.
जन आक्रोश दिवस पूरे देश में मनाया जा रहा है. पूरा देश बंद है, पूरा देश एकदम बंद है और भाजपा शासित जितने प्रदेश हैं वहाँ व्यापारियों पे लाठीचार्ज.
Minister.
ग्यारह दिन बंद है.
No, Minister, you want to say something? Yes.
सर बोलो सर, काला धन बंद है, देश खुला हुआ है सर.
Pardon?
देश खुला हुआ है सर. पूरा चांदनी चौक भी खुला हुआ है.
Hey, Naresh. Yeah, Abgol Yadav ji, what is it? I'll call you. Wait. He is not asking what can I do. Yeah. You want? LOP. Naresh, LOP.
सर पिछले
LOP.
जब से भी नोटबंदी की अनाउंसमेंट माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने की, तब से लेकर जो आक्रोश पूरी जनता में है, पूरे देश में है, और उससे जो पीड़ा और दुख देश के किसानों को है, मजदूरों को है, गृहिणियों को है, उसकी वजह से आज जन आक्रोश पूरे देश में मनाया जा रहा है। और इस जन आक्रोश के अवसर पर सरकार को ये बताना चाहिए कि वो किस तरह से करेंसी उपलब्ध कराए देश में, और जिसकी वजह से लोग
ministers want to get response. That's my request. Rather than
लोग मर रहे हैं,
taking heaven and then discussing whatever you want.
लोग मर रहे हैं,
Practice should not be allowed.
Honorable LOP.
Functioning
खाना
fully.
उपलब्ध
Honorable, I will allow you. But listen, yeah, I think minister has a valid point.
26 दफा
No,
नोटिफिकेशन
yes.
जारी हुई है।
But all of
कोई व्यवस्था है करेंसी
No.
कोई व्यवस्था
all of you are now.
उपलब्ध
now-
नहीं है करेंसी।
Now listen.
चर्चा होनी
Now please.
आप लोगों ने कहा,
Yes.
आप लोगों ने
Let me
कहा
come to
एक
that.
हफ्ते में हालात ठीक होंगे।
Now-
आज एक हफ्ते से ज्यादा हो गए। आज
Wait,
20
you are
दिन हो
not
गए।
give-
कहाँ करेंसी
Notice.
है?
I am calling those who are given notice. रुको.
चल रही है लूट मार
Yes,
का-
your notice
लूट
also
मार
there.
के- लूट मार के मार है।
Now
ये
please.
करोड़ों रुपए-
Order please.
करोड़ों
Order
रुपए
please.
लोग
Now-
एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
All of you speaking. What are you doing? No. See, what can I do? If see, what is this? What is this? This is 0 hour time. See, what is this? What is this? What can I do? Yes? क्या बोलिए येचूरी? Yes? What is the point? I can't hear anything.
Sir,
Yes, Ram Gopal, I called first. I called Ram Gopal first.
Let me, now that you give it to me, let me.
I can't hear.
You hear me. You
No,
hear me first.
I.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
no, stop hearing them.
What can I do?
Stop hearing them. They have spoken.
See, why do you stand here on this side? At least,
Sir, they have spoken.
no, please. Arey, why do you block them? Go to this side. Let them go down. Why do you block them? Let them go that side. I will allow. Please, go on that side. No, go on that side. I can't hear. Arey, why do you block them? See, you go, come this side. Why do you block them? Come this side. Why do you block them? Come this side. Come this side. Come this side. Why? See, you can't block them. Sir, I called Ram Gopal first. What is Ram Gopal? Yes. I can't hear in any case.
बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो गई है।
मेरे को
सारे देश की स्थिति खराब हो गई है। सारे मजदूर को मर रहे हैं। सारी फैक्ट्रियां धीरे धीरे बंद हो रही हैं। सारी दुकानें बंद हैं। सारा कमजोर वर्ग का आदमी है, वो बहुत परेशान है। एक पैसा किसी के पास नहीं है। महंगाई की स्थिति में बहुत